In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a lightbox on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to simplify the user experience or just streamlining your site, removing a lightbox can make a big difference. Let's dive into it step by step so you can follow along easily. First, you'll want to open up the Wix website editor to get started. This is where you'll have access to all the tools needed to make changes to your web page. Once you're in, navigate over to the Publish section. This part is crucial because it allows you to confirm that all your changes will go live once you're ready. After that, click on View Site. This option gives you a quick preview of your current site setup, allowing you to visually identify the lightbox you aim to remove. What you'll find next is a preview of your lightbox on the website. Now that you're clear on its location and function, return to the editor pane. Here you need to locate Site Pages and Menu. Clicking this will open up a list of all the components that make up your site, including hidden elements like the lightboxes. Once in the menu, direct your attention to the lightboxes section. By selecting this, you will see a list of all the lightboxes you have on your site. It's time to find the specific lightbox you wish to delete. Click on the three little dots right beside the name of your lightbox. A small settings menu will pop up, offering you various options. In the settings menu, simply choose delete. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your action. Go ahead and click delete again. The lightbox will now be removed from your site, which is a good time to revisit the lightboxes section. This step is just to ensure that your deletion was successful and that the lightbox no longer appears in the list. Lastly, return to the Publish button and then again click View a Site. This will offer you a final look at the site, allowing you to confirm that the lightbox is successfully removed. Now your site should be free of the lightbox, allowing for a smoother, unfettered browsing experience for your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a lightbox from your Wix website. This will not only enhance the visual appeal of your website, but make navigation more seamless for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped you simplify your site. Feel free to like, subscribe, or comment for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.